All right, let's do one last one for this section. So, in Louisiana, charges on a payday loan may not exceed 16.75% of the amount advanced. Find the annual interest rate if $350 is borrowed for 14 days at the maximum allowable charge. All right, so what we have is the max allowable percent for this is 16.75. We are getting that much. So, if we take 350 times 0.1675, that's going to be a percent. So again, I'm going to do this on my calculator. So 350 times 0.1675, that appears to be 58.63. All right, so that's going to be the interest here. That's the max it cannot exceed. And so now let's look at what we're going to be repaying. Well, A is going to be what? Well, it's going to be 350 plus the 58.63. So that's going to give us what? 408.63. Our principal was 350. Our time was what? 14 days. So 14 out of 360. And so A equals P times 1 plus RT is our formula we're going to use. A is going to be 408.63 equals 350 times 1 plus R times 14 over 360. And again, I'm just going to use the numeric solver. So let's go ahead and do that and see what we get. And so if we go up here, this was going to be A was 408.63. This was 350. Delete that. And that was going to be 14 divided by 360. And so our interest rate we're going to pay is, wow, 430.751 if we're going to three decimals like they keep saying. So R is going to be 430.751%. All right. So earlier when we had a 42%, I think it was, that we thought that was pretty bad. Well, 430.751% is even worse. So I would highly suggest probably don't use a payday loan because, those interest rates are astronomical. So that would be what you would have to pay for that interest rate. Now, it doesn't seem bad. It says, well, it's only going to be 16.75% of the amount advanced. But remember, you're only doing it for a few days. And so when you convert that to a yearly, then it starts looking really bad. So that's when it really comes into play, depending on how many days you've actually borrowed it. All right, so that's all I have for this section. Hopefully that helps you.